Alright guys, so I'm installing my lower valence. Like I mentioned in my short, I could have got a new bumper and I probably could have repaired this, but I decided to paint it. But look how it turned out, man. Anyway, I gotta get these 3 bolts in there and I get some 3 bolts in on that other end. And then I gotta get some bolts through there and there. And then right here got these screwdrivers to hold it in. Then I'm gonna change these out with some new ones I got. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna have to remove these. Anyway, I'm gonna try to get this bumper in. I'm about to get some new fog lights too, or the covers, as y'all can see. That's how she look, y'all. So right now, guys, I'm putting in 1 bolt, 2, and 3, and it's gonna be the same way on the opposite side. So you got 3 bolts on this side, and then you got 3 bolts on the opposite side. I didn't really see like a good in-depth video. Like I seen videos, it was pretty good, but I didn't see it like to this magnitude and all that. So that's why I'm just trying to show y'all. All right, guys, so I got all 3 bolts in over here, but they're not tight, and I got 3 bolts in on the other side. It's not tight. Now I got to get the bolts that are inside here. One right here where the screwdriver at, and I think I got 2 more maybe. So I'm gonna try to hurry up, get these in, and remove these shocks, these old shocks. Alright guys, so I'm gonna just mock this bumper up and all that. I'm gonna have to come back after next week. I'm gonna be going out the country, so I'm gonna just get everything halfway done and just have everything, see how everything go. Let me see, I'm gonna need a 10 millimeter and put that right there, and then I'm gonna use this wrench, put it on the opposite end and wrench on. And I'm gonna do that side, but I still have to get more bolts in, but I'm gonna leave it as is. I got these bolts in, and I got the other side bolts in. I'm gonna just put the bumper back on, see how everything look. I'm gonna show y'all the shocks I have. They're not really shocks, but they give you like a more low profile look. But I'm gonna show y'all before I put the bumper and all that back on. But man, she looking good. I can't wait till I get it back together. All right, guys, I got a hot mess right here. Got all my seats. Got to clean all this stuff up. Got my old tires and crap. Look how dusty. Anyway, man, she is like nice and tight, like not going nowhere. And we still got to get them bolts on the bottom side tight. But yeah, she ain't going nowhere. She nice and sturdy. We still got these bolts right here. So you got 3 bolts here, 3 bolts on the opposite side. You got a bolt here, bolt there. I believe you have 2 more on this side, and you got 3 that runs across. So it's real easy to take it off. But what makes it easy to take off this lower valence and all that, just remove the bumper. Just take it out and you have access to everything. You better take it off. And we still got bolts and all that we got to put in down that way. But anyway, let me show y'all the new ones that I'm going to be installing. And then we're going to put everything up temporarily. I still have to come back, just tighten everything up. I still got my box. Mind you, I did this about like 2 years ago. Front bumper bolts. We still got some bolts that we still got to add on. I got some extra good washers and all that. Got my other tool bag. Being that I was down this way, I got to drive an hour home. I said, why not go in and work on it? because I ain't gonna have no time this week or next week because I'm gonna be gone. Alright guys, so this is inside of my car. It's all nasty and junky, but all these boxes can be thrown away. I still got brake stuff in here for the front. As you can see, I put this radio in and it's not gonna be working. It's gonna be for looks because I still have to find where is the connector. I think I have the connector, but I have to see if I got an adapter. Let me know if I have to have an adapter when hooking up an aftermarket stereo. So actually look, I'm gonna get a new shifter. I'm thinking about getting a Momo wheel. Once I get this car back together and running and stuff, I'm gonna focus on like the dash lights and stuff. Just be ready to take that off. But I want to get this car back on the road and stuff. It should have been on the road. But anyway, we got all the carpet in and all that. I still got the head. I got the headliner right here I gotta put on, and door handles and stuff. So we just got miscellaneous stuff. I got my extra boots and stuff here. I'm gonna take this key. Got everything else, and I still probably got to change my DME out, or send it off. But yeah, I ain't in no rush though. All right, guys. So I got this off of 944 online, I believe. Yeah, only 944.com. They have some great people and stuff. Cause my new shipping address, I usually should ship stuff over here, this address, but I don't. But I usually ship it all the way to South Carolina and stuff, and pick it up from there. Because my address in Georgia, my other location where I'm like an hour away, apparently every time I order something, I always get lost and stuff. Like I ordered stuff for the Mercedes, it got lost. And some other miscellaneous things that I ordered and get lost. So I never reordered a part. Get the cash back. But anyway, I love these people right here, man. Like, very good customer service and stuff. They was able to ship. What did I order from them? I ordered something from them and they was able to get it to the other address and all that. Anyway, they was pretty fast and stuff. But I got these nice aluminum brackets here. Like I said, it's like a more low profile, I would say. Anyway, we're just gonna be ditching these right here, and we're just gonna be going with these. Y'all let me know what y'all think about these and all. But we're gonna install that like a week after or so, maybe 2 weeks or so. We got new bolts and stuff here. So I was gonna change them out today, but I'm gonna wait. Anyway, I'm gonna put this tool bag up, take with me. I'm gonna keep up with my tools. I got so many sockets and stuff everywhere. I got so many bags of tools. Usually when I buy sets like this, I always end up losing it. Got to keep the 10mm safe, as y'all can see. I'm gonna zip that up, put this back in, and that's gonna be pretty much it. Cover these seats back up. These are these seats that's under here. Been under here for a while. Been all dusty and all. So overall, bumper look good. Like I say, it's not the best bump. It's not the best, to be honest. Kind of wavy, but man, she looks so freaking good. So freaking good. I like how it turned out though. Like I just painted that with a router can, y'all. Oh yeah, she looking pretty good. All right, guys. So I need to get some clear lenses on the bottom side, and I might get a splitter and put on the bottom. See what I can do, but it looked pretty good though. It looked pretty decent. Like I said, it's a rear used bumper. I told y'all I could get a new one, get it repainted professionally and all that, but why not just do it myself and stuff? I know it's a Porsche 944, but I mean, it's a car I just want to get back on the road and enjoy. But this paint job, like, I'll rate this like a 7 out of 10. I mean, it's pretty clean, but you know, for a rattle can, that's not bad. It could have been better and stuff, but it's not bad though. Like body work, I could have did better in this area, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. It actually looked pretty good, to be honest. I just can't wait till I wash it. But this is all rattle can, y'all, and it's got two clear. But I wish I had. Well, I don't wish. I'm glad I did it this route, but y'all see that bumper right there is kind of like sticking out. I gotta get, I guess, a plate to help keep it in. But she looked pretty good though. As long as I get them clear lenses, man, we should be on the road. She looked pretty good. She don't look bad at all. You know, I just gotta tighten these bolts and all that up. But I need that bracket over here. As y'all can see, mine is missing and broken. So if y'all know where I can get this bracket for this bumper, let me know. It would be very, very useful because I can have it kept in. I'll try to figure it out, but I need this bumper to stay in just a little bit. But overall, y'all let me know what y'all think. Like, this is the bumper right here that I painted the other day. Y'all can kind of see my reflection. What y'all think, man? I think it's okay. I don't think it's bad at all. Alright guys, that's gonna be pretty much it. Welcome to R3 Garage. If y'all made this far, if y'all consider subscribing, like the video, share with your friends, family, or whoever. We're gonna try to get this car done. It should have been done, but you know, I am a busy man, married man, so gotta make time for everything, right? But I kind of been lazy though. Some weekends I'm like, I don't feel like driving over there to work on it. But I do need to get some miscellaneous things and all that. So if y'all have any input, let me know down below. I think it's really gonna be pretty much it. I think the bumper came out. I think it came out pretty good. And then, like I said, the paint job, it looks pretty good and stuff. Like I got good compliments on it. But somebody who might be a paint head, but I don't know. I mean, like I said, I give it like a 7.5. It's not bad at all. Like it's pretty good, but it's not bad. It could be better and all that. I was thinking about getting like a big old air compressor gun, but I never got it. Like, you know how you can buy the things or stuff, but you're just too lazy to go out and get it. That's me and all that. So I might end up getting one. I'll probably repaint the car in the near future. I mean, I don't know. We'll see how that go. But I just want to get me like a bigger garage and all that. I'll paint it and stuff. Like if I can have like an area where I can paint and then work on the car and stuff, that'd be pretty cool. That's just stuff that I enjoy and all that. I'm not no full-blown mechanic or anything, but it's just stuff that I'm just into. I'm a little mechanically inclined when it comes to stuff like this, but I tried it, so why not? But I feel like the car had a bad ground from the jump, because when I placed my jumper cable on the motor to the starter, the car start, but when I don't have that jumper cable from the back side of the motor to the starter, it don't do nothing. It just clicks. So I feel like I got a faulty ground. I feel like I need to do something about it. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm thinking about some ways, because the car runs, it runs and all that. It just has some electrical glitches and stuff. I think we just had a bad ground and stuff. I'll be replacing all the cables and all that, and just going from there. But if y'all have any input, y'all 944 guys or anybody in general, let me know down below. And man, I hope y'all have a blessed one and stuff. I'm finna get on the road, head home. Shoot, so I'll see y'all, man. Peace. Alright guys, so mine is all that junk right there. Got everything literally covered up right there. But she looked pretty good, y'all. She looked pretty good. She do not look bad. I'll probably get some clear lights on that back end right there. I wish I could have some clear lights right there and there. I tried looking around, but nobody don't have it. Unless I ask that one guy who got a whole bunch of 944s. But I probably just wait. I still got to get the door handle too. And I got to get the molding too that runs straight across. I have to get the molding. I was going to leave it off, but I might put the molding back on. Oh, that's yours? Yeah. Let me see it. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. That's good. Hang it up in the wall. Yesterday. Oh, y'all lost yesterday? Yeah. Dang. That was my little brother and all that. Anyway, man, I see y'all. Y'all be safe. Y'all be safe. I think about doing some other type of videos, like going back to is it worth it on the Facebook market videos, because I was seeing a lot of cars. I don't know, I'm planning on getting me another car probably next year, but I feel like I got more than enough, so I'm probably not gonna add no car. Like, I'm thankful for the Tahoe, the Mercedes, and the little Porsche I have, even though I haven't driven it in a while. My van got to get serviced. When I leave, I have to drop it off so it gets serviced and all that. Y'all might be wondering what I do. I do like refrigeration or HVAC. Some of you might know if y'all familiar with me and all that, because I know I got some family friends who probably subscribe to this channel and watch some of my videos here and there. But man, it's a beautiful day. This week going by fast too. My ladder swing. Anyway, guys, I'll see y'all, man. Y'all be safe.